गगन दमामा बाजियो पर्यो निशाने खाओ खेत जमाडे सूरमा अब जू जन को दाओ सूरा सोह पहचानिया जो लड़े दीन के हे पुरजा पुरजा कट मरे कबू ना छाड़े थे। सो अज असी उन्होंने शहीदों को प्रणाम करन जा रहे हैं जो जून 1984 के कलूघारे दे विच शहीद होए। पर सिर्फ जून 1984 के जिहड़े शहीद होए असी सिर्फ उन्होंने अज याद नहीं करते। पिछले लगातार 40 साल तो इन्नियां बेइंसाफियां हो रही साडे नाल। I want to tell you a little bit about the word insanity. The definition of insanity is repeating the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. It's been 40 years, almost half a century, and we keep asking for justice. Justice delayed is justice denied. 40 saal ho gaye. Are we insane? We keep asking for justice. In the year 2000, there's the Chitty Singh massacre. Right? This is 15 years after 1984 Sikh genocide. 35 Sikhs are killed in the city of Chitty Singh in Kashmir. 10 years later, in 2010, we hear about new instances in Punjab with new governments coming into power. Fast forward 2023, me and Pawan Singh were talking about 80,000 troops being mobilized in Punjab. Fast forward another couple months, we have a Sikh preacher, Hardeep Singh Nijjar, gunned down, killed in Surrey. Fast forward another couple months, we have a US citizen targeted, caught red-handed by the FBI, by US authorities, Indian government trying to murder him. So are we insane? We keep asking for justice? No, we're not. Okay? So today, I want to thank everybody who is coming out today. I want to thank Dr. Chima and his whole entire team. I want to thank Sikh Assembly, Bhaji Swaranjit Singh Ji, Bhaji Pawan Singh Ji, coming together to realize that no, we are not insane. We are going to make a difference. We are not going to stop. Exhibitions like this, ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਪਹਿਲੀ exhibition ਹੋਈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਪੂਰੇ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਲੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਬਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੱਗੇ। 1984 ਨਵੰਬਰ ਜਨਵਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦਸੰਬਰ ਤੱਕ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਹਾਦਸੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਕੱਲਾ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ। We have a poster right there that says 5,000, over 5,000 people disappeared. If we take one day to remember one person, a year will not cover that. ਸਾਲ 'ਚ 365 ਦਿਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ। So if we get started and we do exhibitions like this, we can start raising awareness in our local communities, in our gurdwaras, in our local governments, right? In the congressional level, at the Senate level, hopefully in the future at the White House, State Department, Homeland Security. The umeed got that bhi agge jaake, one of the demands Sikh Assembly has is that the Sikh nation has its own foreign policy. So we can talk to the United States government as our own government, as a separate entity, the Sikh nation. And this is the goals of the Sikh Assembly. This is the goals that me, Swaranjit Bhaji, and Pawan Singh are working towards. But एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि ऐसी पागल नहीं है। एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि साडा अंत एक कोई हो सकता है, फतेह या शहीद।